Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a divine treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings, heavenly tiramisu truffles, so, let's get started. Begin by finely crushing 24 pieces of ladyfinger biscuits, then add mascarpone cheese or any cream cheese of your choice, then in a separate mixing bowl, combine hot water and instant coffee, stirring until the coffee is fully dissolved. Pour the coffee mixture into the crushed biscuits and cheese, stirring until everything comes together to form a sticky dough. Pop the mixture into the freezer for a quick chill, about 10 minutes should do the trick. Once chilled, take the dough out of the freezer and shape it into small balls. Now, let's fill these truffles with decadent chocolate spread. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Finally, roll each truffle in unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic tiramisu flavor. And there you have it, heavenly tiramisu truffles. These little bites of bliss are perfect for any occasion or just when you need a little taste of heaven. Thanks for joining me in Heaven's Kitchen. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more heavenly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!